Have you ever tried to run in a dream, and no matter how hard you push yourself, your legs feel heavy, slow, almost like something is holding you down? You are trying to escape, you are trying to move forward, but you just can't. If you have had this kind of dream, listen carefully, because this is not an ordinary dream. This is very powerful. This dream is about effort without progress. It is not just about running, it is about trying something, but you are not advancing. You are moving, but not arriving where you're supposed to be. In the dream, running represents movement in life, progress, escape from pressure, pursuit of something very important to you. In 1 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 24, it says, "Do you not know that in a race all the runners run, but only one gets the prize? Run in such a way as to get the prize." This tells you life is like a race. Life is like a journey. Your movement in that journey matters. Your movement in life matters. Now the problem is you can't move fast. This is where the message is all about. You are running, but something is limiting your speed. In that dream, you are at a race, but yet you keep moving on a slow motion. What does this mean? 1. Delay despite effort. You are trying, you are putting in effort, but results are very slow. This dream is showing you effort is there. You are putting in your effort. You are putting in all your struggles, your time, your power, your strength, but progress is restricted. Number 2, invisible limitation. You don't see anything holding you, because in that dream you are running, but yet nobody is pulling you back, but you feel it. That means the limitation is not a physical thing. It is something internal. It is something that is situational. It is deeply rooted in your life pattern. It is deeply rooted in the foundation of your destiny. Number 3, inner pressure and struggle. Sometimes this dream is like a reflection of yourself. You feel behind in life. You are feeling that others are moving faster than you. You are feeling that you are not where you should be. And that pressure shows up in the dream, like this particular dream. Number 4, in the dream, you were running from something. This means you are trying to escape a situation, but it is still holding you. You are trying to run away from a problem. You are trying to run away from what gripped you, but yet you keep restricted. All your efforts, all your time, all your struggle to pull away from that depth, to pull away from that problem, to be healed from that sickness, yet it is still holding you. Number 5, life movement without result. This is the best part of this dream. You are not stagnant. You are not idle. You are not a lazy person. But your movement is not producing result. Your effort in life is not producing result. That is why you feel slow. This dream is like someone who is working hard, doing many things, trying different paths, but at the end, nothing is moving the way it should be. Deuteronomy 28 verse 29, "At midday you will grope about like a blind person in the dark. You will be unsuccessful in everything you do." Movement is there. You are working hard, but progress is blocked. Galatians 5 verse 7, "You were running a good race. Who cut in on you to keep you from obeying the truth?" It shows someone can be running well. Somebody can be on a high speed and suddenly be slowed down. It is saying something is affecting your speed in life. You are not where your effort should have taken you. There is a gap between your effort and result. There is a gap between your struggle, your effort, your qualification, and where you're supposed to be or your result. If you ignore this dream, you may keep trying harder, doing more, pushing yourself to where you're supposed to be, but still not moving at the right speed. May God help you in the name of Jesus. If this is your dream, copy out that number you are seeing there. Chat me on WhatsApp.